Hi, today I'll be explaining how source documents are translated to business transactions. Firstly, for my company, there's a credit note from Duncan Trading Pitlead, which is us, to Fetcher Pitlead. The credit note is used to as proof for any refunds, such as for us, we had to return inventory due to wrong specifications. The credit note is used to as proof to Fetcher Pitlead that we have paid. However, we found some wrong specifications, and that is why we are returning it. Secondly, uh, another source document is the official receipt. The receipt is proof of payment. From us, we have sold equipment to Candy Electrical for 48 computers. The receipt is proof for Candy Electrical as they have paid in cash. They have paid in check.
Hello, my name is Jermaine, and today I'm going to identify 3 accounting concepts and principles and explain how they were used in this project. I would first like to introduce 2 main bases of accounting, namely the cash basis of accounting and the accrual basis of accounting. Firstly, under the cash basis of accounting, revenues and expenses are recorded in the profit or loss statement when cash is received or paid. The net profit or loss is calculated by subtracting cash payments from cash receipts. For example, Duncan Trading Private Limited sold $40,000 worth of inventory to Augusta on 17 March 2019. Duncan Trading Private Limited recognized cash amounting to $40,000 received as revenue. Secondly, under the accrual basis of accounting, revenues are reported in the period in which they are earned in the profit or loss statement. This is also known as the revenue recognition concept. Whereas expenses are reported in the same period as the revenues to which they relate. This is known as the matching principle concept. As I mentioned earlier, the revenue recognition concept refers to revenue that is recognized or recorded when it is earned in a financial period. An example is the fire expense that was paid on 1st March 2019. It was treated as a prepaid expense, which is an asset. If accounts are not adjusted, assets will be overstated, shareholders' equity will be overstated, and expenses will be understated. Next, the matching principle concept refers to expenses that are recognized and recorded when they are incurred. However, the matching concept states that expenses are reported in the same period as the revenue to which they relate. In this case, on 31st March 2019, the interest expense account was debited while the interest payable account was credited. This is an example of an accrued expense scenario where expenses have been incurred but we have yet to have recorded it, and therefore is a liability. If accounts are not adjusted, liabilities will be understated, shareholders' equity will be overstated, and expenses will be understated. Another concept that I managed to identify is the monetary concept. Monetary concept states that businesses should only record transactions that are monetary related. Non-financial transactions such as customer loyalty and quality of workforce should not be recorded. Going back to our project, Duncan Trading Private Limited only recorded transactions that involved money. Examples include the $1,003 worth of rental income on 1st March 2019 and wages expense amounting to $12,000 paid to 3 workers on 15 March 2019.
Hi everyone, my name is Jiaxuan, and today I want to talk about the usefulness of the Easy Accounting software. The Easy Accounting software helps the company to identify how funds are coming in and going out of the company. The capability of managing up to more than 24 months of transactions and recording advance and post-dated checks. It greatly reduces stress for the employees. And here, I've listed a few of the usefulness of the Easy Accounting software. Firstly, when you make a mistake while doing the general, the information can be retrieved at any point of the time. Moreover, when you put a debit account in the general, the easy accounting software will automatically credit the accounts for you. For example, on 27th March 2019, the company paid $5,000 for salary expenses. The easy accounting software automatically credits the next entry for $5,000, which provides a lot of convenience for the users. Once you complete the general, the software will self-generate the statements of profit or loss, the statements of financial position, as well as the trial balance. The software also allows you to add description and dates for each entry. This allows the company to be well aware of what each of the transaction is about. Furthermore, the software can automate everything from invoices and bill payments to credit card transactions. The users can automatically reconcile and categorize expenses without manually doing so for each transaction. In conclusion, easy accounting software helps the company to keep track of its transactions. The flexibility of this software allows organizations to modify any transactions, which is useful in rectifying issues at times. It also helps the company managers and supervisors to conduct a more thorough analysis of the information when reviewing business operations. Thank you.
Right. One of the problems of the easy accounting software is that there's no tutorial, so it's a bit hard to navigate through the system. Most of us did not know how to use the system until our teacher had to experiment by themselves, and then they could translate and teach it to us. I feel that they should maybe include like a tutorial for parts of the system which we will be using, so that it will be easier for us and we don't have to waste that much time. Another problem I had while doing the project was that there's some bugs in the system, such as I was not able to, I had my serial number or identification code was wrong, so I was not able to use the system until I had to call them again and clarify. After that, I still could not use the child account. There was some bug that then I had to restart my whole project. Then it was ready. So I feel like maybe they clear some of the bugs and improve on the system to make it easier and make the project easier for us to do.